How to remove people from Temu. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can remove a payment method, in this case people, from Temu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, you're going to be able to find the temu.com website link in the description of this tutorial. So let's suppose that I have bought something and I save my PayPal payment method, and now I don't have to add any password or any extra step in order to pay with the money I have in my PayPal account. So you're gonna check this in your account. You just have to click there into your account, and in the left menu you have an option that says your payment methods. If you have saved your PayPal as a payment method, there's going to be a square, and at the bottom, the right bottom, you're gonna find the option to remove that. Okay, I have not that because I have not made any purchase here on Temu, so I have not added my PayPal credentials. But anyways, if you have perhaps a credit card, an account with Afterpay or Google Pay, or in this case PayPal, there are gonna be several squares with the payment methods that you have saved till now. You just have to click on remove, and that's it. That's how you can do it. That's how you can remove people from Temu. Thanks for watching.